Get into a car with value. 2024 Cadillac XT6. Here's a distinctive XT6 that delivers satisfying performance and premium comfort in a family-focused package. Bring a new sense of confidence along on every excursion in this high-end luxury vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, sun, moonroof. Feel the road beckon when you're at the wheel of this impressive XT6. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.